everybody, and welcome to this week's Singing Assembly. My name's Laura and I'm going to be singing with you this week. We're going to be learning a gospel song called Ain't No Mountain High Enough. It's really upbeat and fun. But before we do that, let's warm up. So we're going to start with one of our favourites, a good old-fashioned plasticine man. So take a ball of plasticine in your hand and just give it a good roll to make sure it's nice and warm. And we can mould it into something, and we're going to make it into a person, okay? So let's make our person. So we've got our legs, and our body, and our arms, and a head. Give him a crazy hairstyle. And then he's here. And he walks down the street, and he goes, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Ready? Let's do it together. Ready? Go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And he gets to a door, which is old and creaky. He opens the door. Lift your cheeks and make a ee sound. Ready? Ee. And then he walks a little bit further. Let's do it together. Ready? Do 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 do. So from the beginning, he's walked to the door. Do 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 do. He's opened the door. Ee. And he's walked a little bit further. Do 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 do. Okay? He's come to a lift. So he pushes the bell for the lift. So all together, with me, we're going to go ding. Ready? Ding. Brilliant. And he goes up in the lift. So you can make one hand the lift, or the bottom of the lift, and it goes up. Whoop. And your voice goes up as the lift goes up. Ready? Let's try it. Whoop. And when he gets to the top, we're going to do another ding. So let's see if you can remember that. Ready? From the beginning. With me, off we go. Do 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 do. E. Do 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 do. Ding. Whoop. Ding. Now he's on the roof. Well remembered, everyone. Now he's on the roof, and he looks over the top, and he sees a trampoline. So he's going to jump, and he's going to make a wee sound, lifting those cheeks. He's going to go wee, and then he goes boing. Boing, boing, ta-da, as he lands. Ready? So let's jump from the roof. Here we go. Ready? Whee, boing, 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 ta-da. Now, the point of this warm-up is that it accesses all of our range. We can make our voices work incredibly high, but we don't speak like that every day, so we're warming up all the sections of our voice, okay? And I'm asking you to lift your cheeks, because if you raise your cheeks, it's much easier to get to the higher notes. We're going to need that a little bit later on. So here we go. Let's run all of our warm-up. Ready? Nice deep breath in. Do 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 do. E. Do 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 do. Ding. Whoop, ding, wee, boing, 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 ta-da! Well done. Great job, everybody. Brilliant warm-up. So the song that we're going to learn today is called Ain't No Mountain High Enough. And we're going to go straight in to learning the first verse. So, listen to what I sing, and then we'll sing it together. So here's the first bit. It goes... If you need me, call me, no matter where you are. Right, listen again. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are. Fantastic. Here we go. One more time. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are. Fantastic. The next bit goes, no matter how far. Listen again. No matter how far. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. No matter how far. Well done. So have a listen. This is the whole line. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Fantastic. Once more on that bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Fantastic, well done. The next bit goes, don't worry, brother. Don't worry, brother. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Don't worry, brother. Fantastic. So let's add that onto the end. Ready? From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. If you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, brother. Fantastic. Brilliant stuff. Then you sing this bit. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. Listen again. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. Ready? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. Fantastic. The last little bit goes, just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. Let's sing that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You don't have to worry. Brilliant. Let's go from just call out my name. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. Amazing. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. If you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, brother. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. Amazing. It goes quite quickly, doesn't it? Ready? We want to keep it nice and upbeat so that you feel like you want to tap your feet while you're singing as well. Ready? Let's have one more go from the top. 1, 2, 3, and if you need me, call me. No matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, brother. Just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. And that's the first verse. That was brilliant. Well done, everybody. That's sounding brilliant. Really, really well done. So the next section is the chorus. And this is the section where I was saying to you when I was warm up this morning, lifting your cheeks when you're singing high is really important. It gives more space for the sound to move around. So we're going to need to lift it up because we're coming up here, the highest bit of the song, okay? And it goes like this. Ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. So we've got 3 phrases that start up at the top. Okay, so it's the same phrase 3 times round. Words are at the bottom to help remember. Ready? So let's see if we can try that bit. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough. Fantastic. And then you finish it off. To keep me from getting to you. To keep me from getting to you. Let's try that line. 1, 2, 3, 4. To keep me from getting to you. Shall we go from the top? Ready? Ain't no mountain. Ain't. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no valley low enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Fantastic. Well done. That's brilliant. So the second verse is nearly exactly the same tune as the first. We've got some slightly different words to learn. So here is the second verse. Remember the day you set me free. I told you you could always count on me. From that day on, I made a vow. I'll be there when you want me, somewhere, somehow. So, first bit. Remember the day you set me free. Let's try that. Ready? 1, 2. Remember the day you set me free. Well done. Next bit. I told you you could always count on me. Try that one. I told you. Ready? 1, 2. I told you you could always count on me. Let's put that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Remember the day you set me free. I told you you could always count on me. Brilliant. Next bit. From that day on, I made a vow. So that's the same as the beginning, isn't it? Ready? Let's try that. Ready? 1, 2. From that day on, I made a vow. Last line. This is tricky. I'll be there when you want me, somewhere, somehow. Somewhere, somehow. It's quite tricky there, isn't it? So let's try. From that day on. Ready? Let's go from there. 1, 2. From that day on, I made a vow. I'll be there when you want me, somewhere, somehow. Brilliant. Let's put that second verse together and go into a chorus. Ready? Remember the day. 1, 2. Remember the day you set me free. I told you you could always count on me. From that day on, I made a vow. I'll be there when you want me, somewhere, somehow. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Amazing work, everybody. Well done. So now we've learned all of the sections. Let's put this piece together. Ready? I'm going to sing it all the way through. You join in, have a great time, enjoy yourself singing, smile as you sing. It's got a lovely message to it, so let's really enjoy it. Here we go. Are you ready? Ready? If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, brother, just call out my name. I'll be there in a hurry, you don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Remember the day you set me free. I told you you could always count on me. From that day on, I made a vow. I'll be there when you want me, somewhere, somehow. 'Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, to keep me from getting to you. Amazing work, everybody. Well done. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I will see you with a brand new song next week. Bye.